Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Snehal and I make videos on fashion, lifestyle and beauty. So I have created this super simple nude pink makeup look for you all. This is such a gorgeous look and one of my favorites. You can pull it off with anything and everything and you can wear this look every day. This is that woke up like this look and it is so effortless and so easy to achieve. So I hope you guys like this video. Please give this video a big thumbs up and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm going to come up with a lot of makeup tutorials during this festive season. So if you don't want to miss out and if you want to get notified, so hit that subscribe button guys. So let's just dive into the video and let's get started. So as we are going to do very soft nude pink makeup look, so we have to make our base as flawless as we can. So for that we have to prep our skin well. So I've already applied moisturizer and sunscreen and I'm going to apply the primer. I'm using Nykaa's Prep Me Up, and you all know that I have been using this primer. This has been my favorite since a really long time now, and it's a very nice silicone based primer, blurs out your pores very nicely. Next, I'm going to use a foundation. Again, I'm going to use L'Oreal Infallible because it is super full coverage. I don't seem to get over this foundation. This is so beautiful. I have been only reaching out to this foundation. And for this look, we want our base to be as flawless as possible and without, any marks on the face, visible marks or anything. It's a very nice, soft, everyday makeup look. You can wear it anywhere and anytime, so do give it a try guys. I'm sure you'll fall in love with this look. So I'm going to blend it out using this stippling brush. Next, I'm going to take a damp beauty blender and just dab it on my face. This will make sure that there are no brush strokes on my face or there are no any patches left. This will blend your base flawlessly and beautifully. Next, I'm going to highlight my under eye area and my high points using my favorite concealer. Is the LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer. I have started using this on my eyelids also. This actually blends your eyeshadows very beautifully and I really love it. So I'm just going to take a beauty blender and start blending it. Next, I'm going to set my base using loose finishing powder. I'm using Maybelline's Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the shade medium. So I'm just going to take a little bit of amount. You just need that much of amount for your full face. This will make sure that your concealer and foundation stays in place. So just dab the powder first on your face with a very light hand. And with a very light hand just spread it. So today first I'm going to contour and blush. I'm going to apply first before applying the eyeshadows. So for that I'm using Sivana Beauty's blush palette and I am going to use a very nice muted pink shade from this. So I'm going to mix this and this shade together. I'm going to apply Milani's bronzer and it's in the shade Sun Drenched. So I'm just going to warm up my face a little bit with this bronzer. This look is all about keeping the whole makeup very subtle and very soft and very blended. the key to this makeup look is just blending. The more you blend it, the more gorgeous it is going to look. So make sure that you're spending good amount of time to blend your base and everything, your eyeshadow, your blush, everything, just everything. So I'm going to take a pointy brush like this and just give shape to my nose. I'm going to contour my nose a little bit. And with the help of my fingers, I'm just going to blend it out. Can you see, guys? It has given nice lift to my cheeks and it is looking so nice and so nicely blended. This is the key to this look actually. So you have to make sure that you're blending your bronzer and your blush together very well. So we'll apply the highlighter in the end. So we are going to move on to applying eyeshadow, and I am going to use my another favorite by Urban Decay. It's the Naked 3 palette by Urban Decay, and it is all about nude shades. I'm just going to open and show it to you guys. So yeah, these are the shades. This is the color story of this palette and it is beautiful. I mean, I just love this one. Whenever I have to do any casual looks, I always reach out to this palette. So it comes with a brush. I mostly use this brush only to apply eyeshadows on regular basis, but as we are going to create a very soft pink nude makeup look, so I'm going to use my regular blending brush to apply eyeshadows. So I'm going to take my blending brush and I am going to take this shade right here and going to put all over my eyelids. This is such a nice muted mauve shade and perfect transition shade. This is a very gorgeous transition shade. Next I'm going to take this shade right here. This is a very nice nude shade and I'm going to put it on my eyelid. So I'm going to take a flat brush like this and I'm just going to press it on my eyeballs. This is super easy look and it looks so nice, like, you know, woke up like this look, you can say, and it just makes your face look so fresh and so bright. If you want to go for matte look, you can actually just leave it like that and just add your kajal, mascara and eyeliner and you'll be good to go. But I am going to add a little bit of shimmer to this look. So I am going to pick up this shade right here. This is a nice rose gold shade and I'm going to use my fingers as it's a shimmer it's a shimmer shade, so I'm just going to take it on my fingers and put it on my eyeballs. And I'm also going to mix this pink shade right here, this baby pink rose gold shade right here, and I'm going to put it, I'm just going to dab it like this on my eyeballs. I'm again going to take a blending brush and take this shade, the first transition shade that we had taken, and just going to blend it all together. So I'm going to take a pointy brush like this, and I'm going to take the transition shade again and put it on my waterline, under my waterline. And I'm going to take my blending brush and just blend it out a little bit, just smoke it out. Now time to add the highlighter to this look, so I'm going to add a little bit of highlighter on the arch of my eyebrow and in the inner corner of my eyes also. I am using Wet n Wild's highlighter, my all-time favorite highlighter. So I'm just going to put some in the inner corner of my eyes also. And let's use the highlighter even on our cheeks. So I'm using my new brush by Real Technique. I am so in love with this brush, man. This gives such a nice, and look at that. It gives such a nice and subtle glow. It's like you're glowing from within. I just love it. It actually makes a difference what kind of brushes or what kind of makeup tools you're using. It totally changes your makeup game, and it's just so beautiful. Yeah, I'll mention the link of this brush in the description box down below for you all who want to purchase this brush. So just check it out, guys. It's beautiful. I highly recommend this one. Never put a highlighter like a streak. Always blend it with your blush so it looks nice and flawless and like you're glowing from within. And put some on your forehead, on the bridge of your nose, on your cupid bows, and on your chin. I'm glowing. I love this highlighted look. It looks so gorgeous, just so gorgeous. Okay, so moving on, I'm quickly going to do my eyebrows. I'm using my Benefits Precisely My Brow Pencil. It's in the shade dark brown. Keep your eyebrows also very nice and soft. Don't do too much of, like bold and big eyebrows. For this look, just keep your eyebrows very soft. Okay, so for this look, I'm not going to use eyeliner. I am going to use only Kajal pencil to tightline my upper lash line, because I woke up like this look and you don't wake up with an eyeliner. So I'm just going to use a Kajal pencil and I'm just going to tightline my upper lash line. So it gives nice definition to your eyes. Next, I'm going to use a white liner pencil for my waterline. This will make your eyes look more open. You can also use nude eyeliner if you have the eyeliner pencil. This is by NYX Cosmetics. I will mention all the products in the description box down below. So I'm going to add a mascara. The mascara is very important for this look. If you leave it like this, it is going to look very incomplete. So make sure that you are applying mascara. So I'm applying Falsies Push-Up Drama Mascara by Maybelline. And apply loads and loads of mascara for this look. You can also go for lashes if you want. If you have tiny lashes, you can always go for eyelashes. I have really huge lashes, that's why I'm not using lashes for this look. Or if you don't want to go for lashes, all you can do is just apply one coat of mascara and then let it dry and then apply second coat. This will make your original lashes look thick and nice. And don't forget your lower lashes also. Always apply mascara on your lower lashes. And finally the lipstick. I'm going to use a lip liner today. This is by NYX Professional and it's in the shade Montreal. It's shade number 45, I guess. I will mention in the description box. So I'm just going to line my lips. And I like to also fill my lips with the liner, so you have some color even if your lipstick is gone. This color is so pretty. This particular shade is like my go-to shade. I can always I can wear this shade with anything and everything. So for lipstick, I'm going to use Maybelline Sensational Liquid Matte Lipstick and it's in the shade Best Babe. This is like the perfect mauve and totally in love with this shade. This is so gorgeous, just so gorgeous. So this is the final look, guys. I think I should add a little bit of blush because why not? I love my pink cheeks. So I'm just going to add a little bit of pink to this look. Oh god, this is looking so beautiful. I can just, live in this look forever. Oh my god, this has turned out so beautiful and it's looking so gorgeous. I'm in love with this look, man. I can just live in this look forever. This is so go-to look and you can wear this with anything and everything and you will look flawless and beautiful. Do give it a try, guys. It is so beautiful. I'm in love with this. Okay, so guys, with that I am going to end my blabbering here and I am going to end my video here. So this is the final look for you all. This is the closer look and I hope you liked watching this video and you enjoyed watching this video. Do give it a thumbs up, guys, and hit that subscribe button and hit the bell icon and everything good stuff. So please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button for this video as well. I'm going to come up with a lot of makeup tutorials during this festive season, so make sure that you have subscribed to my channel so you get notified whenever I post a new video. So I'm going to end my video here now and I'm going to see you in my next one. Bye.